Go, go, go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, tree. Come on, tree. You can do it. You can do it, tree. You can do it. You can do it. Move. Let's not go that way. That's a long step there. Good boy. Keep going, tree. Come on. Come on, tree. Come on, tree. Come on, tree. Good boy. What a good boy. What a good boy. Good boy, tree. Good boy. Keep coming. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. There you go. What a good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Huh? He did very good. He did very good. Hey, good. Good boy. Yeah, he's a good boy. He says, I want those things that you put on those other horses' feet. This is hard on my little tootsies. This is hard on my little tootsies. Yes. Good boy. Come on, Zozo. She's a good girl, huh? She's a good girl. Zozo! Zoe! Come here! Zoe, come! Zoe, come! Here. Here. Yeah, what do you think? Guess you're not afraid of that noise, huh? Huh? Come here. You come here. A bottle splasher. It'll fit. When you carry a bottle smasher like this with you, it fits back into the pommel bags a lot easier. Huh? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Yes, he is. Not so bad up here. Let's check cinches one more time. Did she get more to drink or not you? I don't know about this. I would protest if I were you. On two legs. Yeah, it's fine hanging there. As long as it's not on the ground. As long as I can't step on it. Huh? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's towards the Springs Trail. That's about a 5-hour ride. Yeah, there's a just to see those where the big dark green trees are. You can camp right there. You can camp anywhere in here. But then yeah, and you wouldn't be if you were in those trees over there. And you can see those other that set of trees furthest up in the canyon. There's a spring right there. Yeah. Yeah. Well, there's two springs. There's two natural springs further up there, but it's a minimum 4-hour ride to get to them, and we do that's a really nice ride into the springs. No, we do it in the summer. We do it. We leave about 8 o'clock in the morning, 8:30. I've got a IV with caffeine going into my vein. A wet nurse following me. Yeah. A teenage enema nurse giving me a caffeine enemas the whole way. No, we're going this way. All of our trails are loop trails, except for the ones in the mountains. Come on, Tree. Come on. You can do it. You can do it. Come on. Good boy. I don't blame him. I mean, he's never done anything like this before. But I figured today he was ready. He's been doing, yeah. Now we're not doing the high ridge, right? He's not ready for that one. That's the one we go along that ridge with the cliffs on both sides. Good boy, Tree.